Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best blenders under $50 that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the PopBabies Portable Blender. The PopBabies Personal is a portable, lightweight, and durable blender that is perfect for making protein shakes and smoothies. The obvious reason why a lot of people prefer this blender to others is that it is lightweight. This means that you can take it along with you to your workplace or during your travels. Unlike other blenders, the PopBabies Personal features built batteries that can be effortlessly recharged with a USB. This is the reason why it is an excellent travel partner. With this powerful blender, you can transform frozen fruits, veggies, nuts, and beans into delicious smoothies. The blender is powerful enough to crush ice into sizable chunks that will take your smoothie drinking experience to a new level. Since it was made from premium quality and durable materials, you can be confident that it will last for a long time. Talking about versatility, this blender gives you the freedom to make salad dressings, dips, sauces and so on at the touch of a button. Even more, you can use it to blend hot food but not over 100 degrees Celsius. Moving on at number 4, we have the Magic Bullet Blender. The Magic Bullet is a portable but effective blender you can effortlessly use to make protein shakes and smoothies. Unlike most traditional blenders that are large, heavy and take a lot of space, the Magic Bullet has a small footprint. It goes vertical with a round power base that can be stored away easily. The Magic Bullet is also an excellent travel partner. Since it is portable and lightweight, you can take it with you during your travels. Another notable thing about this blender is that it is easy to use. So you won't have to spend endless hours studying its manual to learn how to use it. You won't have to choose between many uncommon settings like crush, blend and so on. The elegant blender only has one setting. The power of this portable blender is remarkable. You can use it to make creamy almond butter, shakes, and smoothies within seconds. However, its 200-watt motor is powerful enough to completely crush ice or whip it to a fine texture. Unlike other blenders that are difficult to clean, the Magic Bullet is relatively easy to clean. Even more, it is dishwasher safe. The entire unit, including the motor, comes with a 1-year warranty. So if the blender becomes faulty during this period, you are covered. At number 3, we have the Syncred Personal Blender. The Syncred Personal Countertop Blender is the ideal option for those on a budget who are looking to get a compact and attractive blender. This is a single-serve blender with a 250W motor that's easy to use and comes with a durable blend-in travel cup. The cup capacity is 2.25 pounds and the 4-tip stainless steel blades make this blender rather durable. This is a blender that doesn't require too much practice to learn how to use it. That's because it doesn't have an interface, and all you need to do is turn it on, align the cup, and then push down. There are no speeds and settings to adjust, but this is to be expected from a model in this price range. All the plastic components of the Cincred Personal Countertop Blender are BPA-free for extra peace of mind, and the cup is dishwasher safe for extra easy care. At number 2, we have the Ninja QP3001 SS Fit Compact Personal Blender. Those looking for a powerful blender under $50 are likely to be happy with the Ninja Personal Blender QP3001 SS. This blender is an excellent option for those who want to make smoothies from soft ingredients such as mango or banana but also want to be able to crush ice or use frozen ingredients. It's also one of the few blenders under $50 that can make green smoothies. You can use the Ninja Personal Blender QP3001 SS for leafy ingredients such as kale or spinach. Even though you can expect leafy smoothies to be a bit rough and not completely pulverized, this is a decent smoothie maker on a budget. It's also a good blender for those who are interested in pureeing, but you need to remember that all vegetables need to be cooked before pureeing them. The Ninja Personal Blender QB3001SS has a rather powerful motor for a blender in this price range, sitting at 700W. It only has one speed, but it comes with a pulse function that's really handy when chopping vegetables or making things such as salsa. The blender comes with two 16-ounces single-serve cups so you can take your drinks on the go. The containers are BPA-free and dishwasher-safe. And finally at number 1, we have the KitchenAid 2-speed hand blender. The KitchenAid KHB1231WH is an impressive, portable and classy hand blender. With it, you will be able to puree, blend and crush at the touch of a button. Its super sleek design and impressive performance are certainly going to impress you. The Empire Red handle of this excellent blender features a comfortable non-slip grip. Its superior stainless steel arm is powered by a noiseless yet powerful motor. All you got to do to make delicious smoothies with this blender is to press and hold the one-touch power button and tweak the dial on the blender to increase or reduce speeds. Talking about convenience, the 5-foot power cord that comes with this handheld blender is long for you to use in different work areas. Another notable feature of this premium blender is that it has an ultra-smooth stainless steel blade cover to help prevent splashing. Since the KitchenAid KHB1231WH is portable, you can easily take it with you during your travels. When you purchase this blender, you are going to get a 3-cup mixing container. Unlike other hand blenders that is a pain to clean, the KitchenAid KHB1231WH is super easy to clean and dishwasher safe. The downside of this excellent blender is its weight. Some user complained that this blender is heavier than others. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.